Your cardiovascular system is the strongest then. And the third thing is de-stressing. Yoga and pranayam are the best things. If you do yoga 2-3 times a week, you will be the healthiest person.
Thank you, Dr. Trehan, for
This is
talking to
also
us.
what, ladies
Be
and
heart
gentlemen,
health
what
conscious
he's
if you are at a higher risk of.
So, ladies and gentlemen, what Dr. Tran is saying, that we have listened to Dr. Tran. He was saying that maintain the body mass index, maintain the body weight, and that's only when you can just stay healthy. Do yoga, do running, do brisk walking 7 days a week, 7 days a week, and then don't take saturated oils, don't take fried things, don't take refined things, and don't overeat yourself. You just have to maintain your weight just within 10% of the tolerance. Means that your height in inch is your weight in kgs. If you are 72 inch 6 feet multiplied by 12 inch per feet, that means 72. If you are 6 feet 7, that means 72 inch, you need to have 72 kgs. If you are 5 feet, that means 60 inches of height, then you need to have only 60 kgs of weight. 60 kg, keep slightly less but not more. That is the gold standard. That's what exactly, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Tran is saying, that there are 3 arteries which supply blood to the heart. The blockage, the rust inside the inside, that material, saturated material, which deposits inside these arteries and blocks them and stops blood from going to the heart. It creates heart attack due to diabetes, heart attack due to overweight, heart attack due to saturated oils, and heart attack due to oil, and all bad things in life, and sedentary lifestyle. So eat green, eat fruits, and stay healthy and happy. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. What's time, man? What's that catch, one?